Welcome to another week of School Zone. I'm Tamara. The JIS Heritage School Tour has been making its rounds, and today we're all the way in Clarendon giving you highlights. I'm right here at the Edwin Allen High School, so come, let's share in the fun with the students. Oh, what an awesome time the JIS team has had these past few weeks, visiting schools across the island, imparting Jamaica's rich culture, and sharing in the festivities as Heritage Month was celebrated in October. The parish of Clarendon proved to be a major highlight on the tour. Here, the students of Edwin Allen High, Frontfield and Longfield Primary showcased what Jamaica's rich heritage really involves. Our first stop at Edwin Allen proved to be quite insightful.
Welcome to the Edwin Allen High School. Just sit down and take the brief information. This is the school with the sickest presentation. Listen, no bother cause no confusion.
Edwin Allen High, formerly Frontfield Comprehensive High, was founded in 1964 and will celebrate 50 years in 2014.
The founder of this noble institution is the first Minister of Education for the Jamaican government. So this is a lot for us to celebrate, and that makes Edwin Allen contributing a great portion to our heritage.
Many of you may know the faces and voices in the school's choir from singing competitions like All Together Sing. Of course, Edwin Allen is probably best known for its rich track and field program, with a dominant presence on the annual ISA Boys and Girls Championships. A heritage celebration at this school wouldn't be complete without its track stars.
I've won several medals, including gold, silver and bronze, and it's a great accomplishment.
All I have to do is just train hard and stand out for both my school and also my country.
We place a lot of emphasis on total development, the athlete and the student.
The students were excited to see the JIS team and shared items from Jamaica's rich history.
This is some of the JIS publications that we have. We do books and posters on the Jamaican culture, the heroes, the symbols, all kinds of things related to Jamaica. And we want to hand the package over to Edwin Allen High this morning, and we hope that you do accept it and use it well, even in your library and in your school, to learn more about Jamaican culture.
It was sheer gratitude that we felt from everyone.
It was lovely, and the students clearly enjoyed it. We really loved having you, and we hope we'll have you again.
My name is Aitana Mullins, and you're watching School Zone.
On our tour in Clarendon, we stopped at the Frontfield Primary School, where we had an exciting time sharing in Jamaica's rich cultural heritage. The students and their teachers went all out in displaying what Jamaica's heritage is all about, even displaying old-time sing-ting.
This is a calabash they use to eat and drink out of. This is a scrubbing board they use to wash clothes.
Representatives from the JIS shared with the students, while JIS heritage publications and books were offered to the schools to utilize in its programs.
You know, I used to be a student here a long time ago, but I was right here, and it's really good to be back.
Last stop on our tour in Clarendon was Longfield Primary, a school in a deep rural district. It may not be known to many, but you'll love meeting this group of exceptionally bright students and staff. They were delighted that the JIS team chose to share in their heritage experience and present them with material to keep the tradition strong. The JIS Heritage School Tour continues, but that's it for the parish of Clarendon. Hope you had a great time. For School Zone, I'm Tamara. And what's our theme for Heritage Month, guys?